The katana. More than a weapon, an icon of honor and craftsmanship.
The katana represents more than just a weapon. It embodies the soul of the samurai, a blend of lethal precision and art.
Forging the soul of the samurai.
Ancient scrolls detail the intricate craftsmanship of the katana, a weapon carried with solemn purpose by the warrior class.
Let's witness the 800-year-old art of swordsmithing.
Centuries of tradition forged in fire. The hammer falls, shaping the metal and the soul of the smith.
The heart of a katana begins in sand, fire, and time.
The furnace demands constant attention. Here, fire meets iron sand, transforming it into the legendary
The finest steel is carefully weighed before the application of a protective clay layer, essential for the hardening process.
The initial bonding is the most critical stage, demanding precision and immense heat. The forge demands patience and precision. Only when the steel glows like the midday sun is it ready for the hammer. Bathed in the deep red glow of the forge, the metal yields to the strike, shedding sparks like fiery rain.
Hammering the steel allows the layers to bind together, creating a pattern that is both beautiful and strong.
Steel is folded up to 16 times to eliminate weakness.
This visualization demonstrates how repeated folding significantly reduces impurities in the steel.
In the heart of the flames, the iron is purified. This is where strength is born.
With every precise strike, the layers double, creating strength through fire and effort. The count rises exponentially.
Layer by layer, it becomes both hard and flexible.
Every stroke is measured, guiding the metal until it reaches its perfect rectangular form.
He inspects the grain closely, ensuring the temper is correct. Only then can he precisely mark the center line with the soapstone.
It's finally ready. All that heat and hammering, and now we have the perfect foundation for the blade.
In the heart of the fire, the metal is reborn. Now we guide it, gently, into the form it was always meant to take.
This mixture protects and defines the blade's soul. We apply a precise mixture of ash and clay. This insulates the steel, creating the differential hardening that defines a true blade.
The hamon, the fingerprint of the sword.
The true test of a blade lies in its resilience.
It must bend without breaking, returning perfectly to true.
Carefully placed into a bed of rice husks for a controlled, slow cooling process. It rests here amidst the soft, earthy material.
Keep the angle consistent. Apply firm pressure on the push stroke, then lighten up on the pull. You'll see the slurry start to form.
We hold it to the light, letting the reflection dance along the edge. This is how we know the steel is truly refined.
Each blade is polished by hand for weeks.
With delicate yet firm movements, the microscopic imperfections are slowly washed away, revealing the ultimate sharpness hidden beneath the steel. Behold the blade, honed to perfection. Water glides across its flawless surface. After weeks of folding and hammering, the final polish reveals the true beauty of the blade. It is finally complete.
Decades of work culminate in this moment of stillness. The balance must be absolute, a testament to the artisan's precision.
The samegawa, or rayskin, must be precisely fitted. Every nodule is unique, demanding careful attention to the curve of the handle. The traditional X pattern requires immense precision. The silk cord must be perfectly taut and uniform across the tsuka.
Meticulously applying multiple layers of the deep, dark red lacquer is essential to achieve this.
Every part, handle, guard, scabbard, is handcrafted.
Balance, beauty, precision.
Dozens of blades, each polished to perfection. It is this consistency that defines true mastery.
Not all blades survive this final rite.